Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy NFTs on Coinbase Wallet. First, ensure your Coinbase Wallet is set up and funded with the necessary cryptocurrency, like Ethereum. You'll then connect your wallet to a reputable NFT marketplace, such as Coinbase NFT or OpenSea. This process allows you to browse various digital art collections and select the unique piece you wish to add to your portfolio. It's a straightforward way to begin your NFT journey. To get started, you'll need to fund your Coinbase wallet with Ethereum, as it's the primary cryptocurrency for many NFTs and gas fees. You can easily send ETH from a Coinbase exchange account to your wallet. Once funded, open the D-app browser within your Coinbase wallet. From there, you can search for and access popular NFT marketplaces, including Coinbase NFT or OpenSea, to explore available digital collectibles. Once you've found an NFT you love, click on it to view its full details, including the price and any associated information. You'll then have the option to buy now for a fixed price or make offer if it's an auction. After selecting your preferred option, your Coinbase wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction, displaying the NFT price and any network gas fees. Review these carefully before confirming your purchase. Congratulations! After your transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your newly acquired NFT will appear directly in the NFTs tab of your Coinbase wallet. You can then view its unique details, including its transaction history and any associated metadata. It's exciting to see your digital collection grow. For more great deals and to learn about the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.